Look at that roof. It's got some carpet on it now. This is good stuff, isn't it, Ryan?
It's brilliant stuff. It's very sticky though. Gets on everything.
Sound deadened. Insulated. Got some panels coming for there. Panels coming for there. Yeah. And then we're going to stick this floor in. We're going to keep that VW sign for us though, because it looks so cool.
Very, very selfish.
Going to keep that and stick it on the wall. Some lovely new plywood in to cover up all that. And then we'll see how it looks then. Buongiorno, good morning. Today is a very rare occasion. No, Ryan has not had a trim. It's
that's an even rarer occasion.
We both have a full day off today. So I'm currently moving house. It's Ryan's one day off this week. So we are going to try and get the van finished. This is where we're up to so far. So sound deadening's on, installation's behind, started the wheel arch there. Roof's all sorted. We have got a bit of carpentry to do where Ryan stood on the U.
And then there's just the second B post.
Yep.
C. And then I think we're going to go along the top.
All the way along to get rid of them marks.
Get rid of the holes.
And then also we are going to potentially, we are going to put the spoiler on. We've got a little spoiler because that makes it nice and sporty. And maybe put the wheels on.
Wheels and roof bars.
And the roof bars, which will make it look like a nice clean van. So it is 10 to 10, just gone cowboy time. 10 to 10, 10 to 10, 10 to 10, 10 to 10. So we obviously going to see loads of time lapses now, but we'll recap at 3 o'clock and see if we've
I was waiting for that.
see if we've fallen out. See if I've punched him in his head.
10 minutes later.
Too far that. Yeah, 10 o'clock. We're falling out, we're going home. Right, let's go. So, going to be giving this a right good clean today. It looks bad, but actually, yeah, it's quite bad. It's just dusty. Some money in there, some sticky money. Dusty, horrible, and not very nice, really. So, we're going to give it a right good clean. They're already loose. So we're going to whip them out and see how it looks. Looking like the seat covers underneath are actually pretty good. So that's why you should have seat covers. Give this a really good clean while the sun's out and see how it comes up. Right, so the seats are now out. It's actually a bit annoying because you have to disconnect wires and make sure you get them wet when you clean them. Handbrake cable as well is in the way. But look how dirty it is. We weren't lying. So I found a bit of money, which is always a bonus. But it's it just needs a right getting at. Look at under the seat. So the sun is shining. And we're going to clean it up. Well, that's the plan anyway. Some more money in there, look. Look at that dirt. So it's pretty easy really. All you need is a leather brush and some all-purpose cleaner. And it's that easy. Right, lots of elbow grease later. She's all clean. Looking a lot better everywhere. As you can see, nice and clean. As you'd expect for a 30,000 mile van. Floor's going in, sneak peek.
Sneak peek.
Look at that. It's brand new, Ryan.
It is brand new. Whole van's brand new.
Nice and clean.
Which way? Fascia.
Yeah, it's a good design that, isn't it, Ryan? Wheel on wheel. In the beautiful sunshine and a bit of wind. Who remembers this place? That looks like some rain over there. Bloody Blackpool. Whoa! Look at that! What do we reckon, Ryan? That is looking well. We can't afford to do any more. We put the wheels on her. We painted it, put some windows in, carpeted the inside, and we're all out. Credit cards are maxed out, aren't they, Ryan?
Yeah. Bank manager's ringing saying stop.
Yeah, they're not happy, but it's come up really nice. Just comment if you want to buy it. How much do you want to pay? $33,000 miles. I don't think we'll find another. I don't think we'll find another, Ryan, do you? Not that mileage. It's a rare beast. And she looked grand on the Lancashire Hills. Don't look at that dent, yeah? We need to get that done. Look at that. Right. Let's get another van bought.
Seems a shame to let it go.
Put your bids in, put your bids in.